Derek Bell's bondsman.
The suspect.
I ain't even, man, I ain't getting nothing. I promise. I know my rights.
You did.
God. Man, I know I get my free phone. Man, without that badge, I bet you wouldn't be doing none of this. You know I get my free phone call. Happened to Martin Luther King, Dream, Rodney King. Can't we all just get along? Malcolm X, get your hand out my pocket.
Sir, you gotta stop talking.
What?
You're in a jail.
It's the First Amendment. I know I got the right to the First Amendment.
It's in a jail, sir. That's no problem.
If it wasn't for you cops, I wouldn't be in this jail sitting. All by myself. Gonna be all by myself. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Let me out, man. Let me out, dog. I got $5,000. I got $5,000 sitting in my pocket right now. If you let me out, man, this ain't even right, man. Dog, I can't do this, man. Hey, give me a phone call. My phone call. One call. That's all. That's all it takes. How am I gonna get the phone with my hands behind my back? Come on, man. Think. I need you to think for me. How am I get? Huh? Derek Bell's bondsman.
Freedom!
Hello, this is a collect call from
Rashida, that's me. Man, these people down here tripping with all that old bull.
an inmate at the county jail. To accept charges, press 0.
Free Me Bail Bonds, LLC, located at 2642 Tulane Avenue, is open 24/7 when the unfortunate happens to you. When your mama don't want to put her house up, your old lady won't answer the phone, and your boy ain't coming because he got attachment. Never think negative, always think positive. And give Derek Jones Sr. a call at Free Me Bail Bonds at 504-822-6201 or 504-277-4670.
This is a collect call from
Rashida, call Derek Jones Sr. over at Free Me Bail Bonds, please.
That's Free Me Bail Bonds at 504-822-6201 or 504-277-4670. When your safety is your top priority, call the best at Secure Tech Protection Services of Louisiana. 2642 Tulane Avenue in New Orleans with 24/7 service nationwide. Call now at 504-821-7341 or 225-803-6275. For your next event or get together, your safety is our priority.